Right, hi guys, it's Rita and today I'm gonna show you how to wash your hand since people nowadays don't really use the sanitize and even wash their hand. Cause nowadays coronavirus aka COVID-19 is everywhere in the whole wide world, so we must prevent about it, and this is one way is how to prevent coronavirus aka COVID-19. So let's start. Now I'm in front of the bathroom and let's open this. And remember guys, don't really open too close, just open normally but not too close cause germs. Alright, let's go inside it, and anyway we're gonna wash our hands, so yes. Now let's open the tap, and over here is also germs over there, so please warn you, it's germs everywhere in the bathroom. So open slowly and close it back, and wash your hands, grab it to the palm, to edge of finger, in front, over here, in front, through the wrist, get the bacteria away, scrub it, and we might want to wash this because germs, right? Now open it. Don't open it. Right. And then we might want it to slow down the water a bit, because when it's too much water, I think it's hard to wash. It's as me, but all of you, if you think it's easy to wash, you can do it, but it's hard to wash for me. So wash it and close the water, and let's dry our hand with some tissue right here. Rub it through our hands, and we take one spare tissue for closing the door like this, alright? Because germs, as I told you. Now let's go out. Alright, now we go, and don't touch that, and throw it in the bin. Right. So I guess that's all, and please be hygiene, because nobody know the cure, nobody know the vaccine. Please take this seriously, and hashtag run away from coronavirus aka COVID-19. Hope you guys like it. Stay hygiene, be prevented from coronavirus aka COVID-19, and don't forget to like and follow Rex My Facebook page if you haven't. Stay tuned for more information. Bye.